Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a foundation half a double crochet. So instead of making a chain and then working your half a double crochet into it, we are making a chain and half a double crochet all at once. We are starting by making a slip knot, and then we are going to chain 2. And these 2 chains don't count as a stitch. So working back into the first chain we made, you're going to insert your hook and pull through a loop, and now you're going to put yarn around your hook and pull through just 1 loop, and that creates your new chain. Then yarn around your hook and complete your half double crochet stitch. So let me show you this again. Yarn around your hook for your half a double crochet, go into that chain at the bottom, pull through a loop, and now yarn around your hook and just pull through 1 loop, and then you have 3 loops left on your hook. Yarn around your hook and pull through all 3. So you're making a chain stitch and half a double crochet all at the same time. Go into that chain space again, pull through a loop, yarn around your hook and pull through just 1, and that is your new chain stitch. And now you can complete your half double crochet as normal by pulling through all 3 loops. You might find if you turn your work sideways, it's a little bit easier to do this row rather than the usual way you're making your crochet stitches, but it's up to you. You just have to make sure that you remember to do that 1 pull through before you finish your half double crochet to create a new chain as well. So pull through once and then pull through all 3 loops, and this is how you make half a double crochet stitches with the chain stitches at the same time, and that's called foundation half a double crochet.